Sending
Securing
money
funds for
across borders
education
has
is a critical
historically been a
step in
complex
pursuing
and costly
academic
endeavor.
and career
Traditional
aspirations.
methods such as
For
bank-wire
many,
transfers
private student loans
often involve
bridge
a
the gap
convoluted
between
network of
available financial
intermediaries,
aid
resulting in
and the total
hefty
cost of
fees,
attendance.
unfavorable
Student
exchange
Loans
rates,
has emerged
and lengthy
as a
processing
significant
times.
player in this space.
However, the
offering
emergence of
various loan
innovative
products.
platforms like
The key
Wise,
question for
formerly
borrowers
TransferWise,
naturally
has
is,
revolutionized
how
international
long does
money
Ascent
transfers,
take to initiate
offering a
payment,
more
getting
efficient
those
and
crucial
transparent
funds where they
solution.
need to be?
This video will
Understanding
explore the
Ascent loan
viability of
disbursement
using Wise to
process
transfer
is
money to
essential
Nigeria,
for effective financial
examining the
planning.
process through a
Unlike
project
instant
management lens.
transactions,
By breaking
loan
down the
funding
transfer
involves
process
several
into distinct stages,
each with its own
identifying
timeline.
potential
As a finance
challenges,
expert,
and outlining
I'll
the
break
benefits,
down this process,
we can gain a clear
providing clarity
understanding
on the
of how
factors
Wise can streamline
influencing the
financial
initiation
transactions
of
between
payment by
individuals
Ascent.
and businesses
The journey
in
of your
Nigeria
Ascent
and the
loan,
rest of the world.
from approval
Project
to disbursement.
initiation.
The initiation of
Understanding
payment
the
by
need.
Ascent doesn't
Before
happen
delving into the
instantaneously
specifics of
after your
using
loan
Wise,
application is approved.
it's crucial to
Several
understand the
steps
underlying
must
need
occur
for
to
efficient
ensure
money transfers to
accuracy and
Nigeria.
compliance.
Several
Here's a
factors
breakdown
contribute to
of the
this
typical
demand.
timeline.
Diaspora
1.
support.
Loan application and
Nigerians living
approval.
abroad
This
frequently
is the
send money
initial
to family
phase where
members
you
in
complete
Nigeria
Ascent's
to cover
online
living
application,
expenses,
providing
education,
personal, financial,
healthcare,
and
and
academic
other needs.
information.
Business
Ascent will then
transactions,
review your application,
trade and
which may
investment
involve
between
a credit
Nigeria
check
and other
for
countries
credit-based loans,
necessitate
or an
seamless and
assessment of your
cost-effective money
academic
transfers for
profile
import,
for outcomes-based
export
loans.
activities,
If you have a
payments
cosigner,
to
their
suppliers,
information
and
will also be
repatriation of
evaluated.
profits.
The time
Personal
for approval can
remittances.
vary depending on the
Individuals may need
completeness
to
of your
send money to
application and the
Nigeria for various
complexity of your
personal
financial
reasons,
situation.
such as travel,
Generally, you can
gifts,
expect a
or
conditional
charitable
approval
donations.
within 1
Project
to 2
planning.
business days.
How Wise
2.
works.
Loan
Wise
acceptance
employs a
and
unique
verification.
approach to
Once
international
approved,
money
you'll
transfers that
receive a loan
minimizes
offer
costs and
outlining the
maximizes
terms and
efficiency.
conditions,
Instead
including
of
the loan
directly
amount,
transferring
interest
funds
rate,
across
and
borders,
repayment when options.
Wise utilizes a
1.
network of local bank accounts in different countries. Here's a simplified breakdown
You'll
of the
need to
process.
carefully review
Initiation.
and formally accept
The
this
sender
loan offer.
initiates a transfer
This is
through
often
the
done
Wise
electronically
platform,
through Ascent's
specifying the
online
amount
portal.
and the recipient's
Following
bank details
acceptance,
in Nigeria.
Ascent may
Local
require
transfer.
further verification
The
of
sender
your
transfers the
information.
funds
This
to
could involve
Wise's local
submitting
bank account
additional
in their own
documentation
country.
to confirm your
Currency
identity,
exchange.
enrollment,
Wise
or
converts
other
the
details
funds to the
provided in your
Nigerian naira
application.
and
The
GN,
speed at which you
using
provide
the
these
mid-market
documents
exchange rate,
directly impacts
which is the
the
real
subsequent
exchange
steps.
rate without any
3.
markup.
School
Local
certification.
disbursement.
A crucial
Wise then
step in the
transfers the
student loan
NGN amount
disbursement
from its
process
local bank
is
account
school
in
certification.
Nigeria to the
Ascent will
recipient's bank
notify
account.
your educational
Project
institution
execution.
about your approved loan.
Step-by-step
Your school's
transfer
financial aid
process.
office will then
To
review your
provide a
loan
clearer
request
picture,
to ensure it aligns with
let's
your cost of
outline the
attendance,
step-by-step
taking into
process of
account
sending
any
money
other
to
financial
Nigeria
aid you
using Wise.
received, federal
Account
loans,
creation.
grants,
The sender creates a
scholarships.
free
The
Wise
school may
account
certify the
online
loan
or through
for
the
full
mobile app.
amount,
Transfer
a lower
setup.
amount, or
The sender
even deny
enters the amount they
certification
wish
if
to
there are
send,
discrepancies,
selects
or if your
NGN
total
as the
aid
recipient's
exceeds the
currency,
cost of attendance.
and provides the
The time
recipient's
frame for
bank
school
account details
certification
in
is
Nigeria.
variable and
Payment.
depends
The
entirely on
sender
the
funds the
efficiency
transfer by
and
paying
workload
Wise
of your
through
school's
various
financial
methods,
aid office.
such as
It
bank
can range from
transfer,
a few days
debit
to
card,
several weeks,
or credit card.
especially
Verification.
during peak academic
For security
periods.
purposes,
4.
Wise may
Final loan
require the
disclosure
sender to
and
verify
right
their
to cancel.
identity by
After
providing
the school
identification
certifies
documents.
your loan,
Transfer
Ascent
tracking.
will provide you
The
with a
sender can
final
track
loan
the
disclosure.
progress of the transfer
This document
through the Wise
outlines the
platform.
exact loan amount,
Delivery.
interest rate,
The recipient receives
fees,
the funds
if any,
directly
and
into their
repayment
Nigerian
schedule.
bank account.
Federal
Project
regulations
monitoring
mandate
and
a
control.
right to
Key
cancel
advantages
period,
of using
typically
Wise.
lasting a
Wise
few
offers
business
several
days,
advantages
often
over
around
traditional
3
money
business
transfer
days,
methods,
after the final
which can
loan
be viewed
disclosure
as
is
key
provided.
performance
During this
indicators,
period,
KPIs,
you have the option to
in a
cancel the
project
loan
management
without penalty
context.
if you change
Cost
your mind.
effectiveness.
Ascent cannot
Wise
initiate
typically
payment
charges lower
until
fees
this
compared to
cancellation
banks
period
and
expires.
other money transfer
5.
services.
Disbursement
Transparency.
initiation.
Wise
Once the
uses
right
the
to cancel
mid-market
period
exchange
has
rate and
passed
clearly
and
displays
all
all fees
necessary
upfront,
verifications are
ensuring
complete,
transparency
Ascent
and
will
eliminating
initiate
hidden
the payment
costs.
process.
Speed.
4. Tuition
Transfers through
funds.
Wise are often
Ascent typically
faster than
sends these
traditional
directly
methods,
to your school.
with many
The
transfers
exact
completed
timing of
within
this
one
transfer
business day.
can depend on
Convenience.
Ascent's internal
Wise
processes
provides a
and the
user-friendly
school's
online
preferred
platform
method of
and mobile
receiving
app,
funds.
allowing
Ascent has
senders to
stated
initiate
that they
transfers
generally
from
send
anywhere
funds
with
on the
an
second
internet
Wednesday
connection.
after your
Security.
program starts.
Wise
4.
employs
Living
robust
expense
security funds.
measures to
If your
protect
loan
users'
includes
funds
these,
and personal
Ascent will
information,
typically disperse
project
these funds
risk
directly
management,
to you,
potential
usually
challenges
via
and
electronic
considerations.
transfer to your
As with any
designated bank
project,
account.
it's
The
essential to
variable
identify
timeline.
and mitigate potential
Factors
risks
influencing
associated
payment
with using
initiation.
Wise for
As you
money
can see,
transfers to
the time it
Nigeria.
takes for Ascent to
Internet
initiate
connectivity.
payment is
Both the
not a
sender
fixed
and the
duration.
recipient need
Several
reliable
factors can
internet
influence
access
this
to complete
timeline.
the transfer
Borrower
process.
responsiveness.
Bank account
The
details.
quicker you complete your
Inaccurate or
application,
incomplete
accept the
recipient
loan
bank
offer,
account
and
details can
provide
lead to
any
delays
requested
or failed
documentation,
transfers.
the faster the
Transfer limits.
process will move.
WISE may have
School
limits on the
certification
amount of
speed.
money that can
This
be
is often
transferred,
the most significant
depending on the
variable.
sender's location,
The efficiency of your
currency,
school's
and
financial
verification
aid
status.
office in reviewing
Regulatory
and
changes.
certifying the loan
Changes
is
in
crucial.
regulations in either the
Verification
sender's country
processes.
or
If
Nigeria
a cent
could
requires
potentially
additional
affect
verification,
transfer processes.
the time it takes for
Fraud
you to
and
provide
scams.
the necessary information
Senders should be
will
vigilant
impact
about
the
potential
timeline.
fraud and
Right to
scams
cancel
and
period.
ensure they are
This
sending
federally
money to
mandated
legitimate
waiting period
recipients.
is
Project
unavoidable.
stakeholder
Assent's
management.
internal processing.
Who benefits?
While Assent aims
Identifying
for
the
efficiency,
stakeholders
their
involved in
internal
the money
processing
transfer
times
process
can
helps
also
to
have a
understand
minor
the broader impact of
Start
using
date of your
WISE.
program.
Senders.
Assent often
Individuals
coordinates
and businesses
disbursement with the
sending money
start of
from
your
a broad
academic
benefit
program.
from lower
Typical
costs,
time frames
faster
to
transfer
expect.
times,
While it's
and
difficult
greater
to provide an
convenience.
exact time frame
Recipients.
due to the variability
Individuals
of the
and
factors
businesses
mentioned
in
above,
Nigeria
here's a
receiving
general
money
idea
benefit from
of what you might
receiving
expect.
funds quickly
From
and
application
directly
to
into their
conditional
bank
approval,
accounts.
1 to
WISE.
2 business days.
As a service
From
provider,
approval to loan
WISE
acceptance
benefits from
and
transaction
initial
fees and
verification.
expanding its
Depending on
customer
borrower,
base.
could be a
Nigerian
few
economy.
days. School
Efficient money
certification,
transfers can
highly
contribute to
variable,
economic growth
ranging
in
from a few
Nigeria by
days to
facilitating
several weeks.
diaspora support,
Right to cancel
business
period,
transactions,
typically 3
and investment.
business days
Project
after final
evaluation.
disclosure.
Is
Disbursement
WISE a
to
viable
school,
solution?
tuition
Based
generally
on the
the second
analysis,
Wednesday after
WISE
your
presents a
program
compelling
starts.
solution for
Disbursement to
individuals and
borrower.
businesses
Living
seeking to transfer
expenses
money to
typically
Nigeria.
occurs around the
Its
same
cost
time
effectiveness,
as tuition disbursement,
transparency,
potentially a few
speed,
days later,
and
depending on
convenience offer
bank
significant
processing times.
advantages over traditional
Therefore,
methods.
from the time you submit
However,
your complete
it's crucial to
application
consider
the
potential
initiation of
challenges
payment,
and
it
take
can
necessary
realistically take
precautions to
anywhere
ensure
from
a
a few
smooth and
weeks to over
secure
a month,
transfer process.
depending on the efficiency of all
Streamlining
parties
financial
involved,
connections.
particularly your school.
WISE has emerged
Proactive
as a
steps to
disruptive
expedite the
force in
process.
the international money
While some
transfer
aspects are
landscape,
beyond your direct control,
offering a more
you can take
efficient
proactive
and
steps
user-friendly
to
alternative
potentially
to
expedite the
traditional banking
process.
systems.
Submit
By
a
leveraging
complete
technology and a
accurate
network of
application.
local bank
Ensure
accounts,
all information
WISE has
provided is
streamlined the
accurate
process
and
of
that you've
sending money to
included all
Nigeria,
required documentation.
making it faster,
Respond
cheaper,
promptly to requests.
and more accessible for
If a cent
individuals
or your
and
school
businesses alike.
requests additional
As the world
information,
becomes
provide it
increasingly
as quickly
interconnected,
as possible.
platforms like
Communicate
WISE
with your
play a
school's
vital
financial
role
aid
in
office.
facilitating seamless
Inquire about
financial
their loan
connections
certification
across
timeline,
borders.
and ensure they have all the necessary information from you. Understand Ascent's communication channels. Monitor your email and Ascent's online portal for updates and requests. Plan ahead. Apply for your loan well in advance of your tuition due date to allow ample time for processing and disbursement. What happens after payment initiation? Once Ascent initiates payment, tuition funds, these will be transferred directly to your school's account. You should confirm with your school that the funds have been received and applied to your tuition balance. Living expense funds. These will be electronically transferred to the bank account you provided during the application process.